Hey everybody, how are we all? I hope you're all doing really good watching this today. I am so conscious about my voice. I feel like I am nasal. I think I've got a cold, right? And I'm very sinusy and very nasal. So if I sound a bit weird, or is this the first video of mine that you're ever watching and you think I sound weird, I'm so sorry. I'm just a bit congested. But hi guys, welcome back to my video. It feels really good to be like dressed with a bit of makeup on and sat with the best kind of shopping bag that there is. If you're a subscriber, you'll know that I've had a bit of a rubbish week. And if you're new, I'll just fill you in briefly so I don't cry. But our beloved family dog passed away a few days ago, and I have not been coping that well. To be honest, I don't know, my friends and family say I am, but I don't think I am. There's just been so much crying, and crying genuinely makes me ill. Like, I get such a headache, and yeah, maybe this is where this cold has come from, I don't know. But yesterday, me and my youngest, I have two boys, again if you're new, I have two children, and me and my youngest took a trip to my local Primark yesterday. What better for the soul than a Primark trip? I don't know if there is anything for someone who's feeling a bit sad, to be honest. Plus it's a new season, isn't it? We're coming into autumn, winter, and I went and bagged myself some goodies, basically. So this is your standard Primark haul. I'm gonna open up the bag and show you what I got. It's mainly fashion, but there's some home in there as well. I was hoping to get more on the home front, but I'll explain that later. And there'll be a lot of me sniffing as well. I'm actually going to start with what I'm wearing, to be honest, before I open the bag, because this is from Primark. Do you know what? I think this might be my star buy. I think this is my fave. So I got this cute little sweater. So I think this is a large because I wanted it like big. But as you can see, it's just nice and loose fitting, and it's got that funnel neck, which I love, which you can either have all zipped up, or how did I have it? Oh god, the zip's stuck. I had it like that, didn't I? Can't even remember now. £14 this was. I'm chuffed with it, to be honest. I love this neck. They're really in autumn, winter. She says like she decides what's in. I'm only saying that because I've seen other people wear them, but yeah, love it. Let's start as we mean to go on. Nipple stickers. These, to be fair, are probably one of the most used things in my wardrobe. I wear these most days. If I've got like a tight top on, or I don't want to see any like bra straps, these are in cred. And I just love to wear these. These are so good. £2 for a pack of two. Obviously they're going to come in a pack of two. £2, and I normally get nude. They didn't have nude, so I got black, but that's okay. That's okay. But yeah, I wore them to death this summer, particularly the holiday that we've just come back from, our family holiday. So I wanted a new pair. Nipple stickers, petals, aren't they called? Silicone petals. That's a bit classier than nipple stickers. Ellie. Okay, I got these. Now I think I saw these on my friend Carly, so you might follow her, Carly Drake. And I think I've got the right ones. I saw her wearing them and I was like, where are they from? And she said Primark, and I think it's these. So how cute are these casual trousers? So I guess I want to call them like, they're not like smart joggers. I don't really know what I'd call them, but you've got the elastic waist with the tie front, and they're kind of like, you know, tapered down the middle, and they're really wide. But if you look carefully, there is the faintest pinstripe. Can you even see that? There is a very faint pinstripe to them. And I thought, I just whipped myself on the head with that drawstring. I thought, how cute would they look with a bodysuit and a cardi or something? Just a bit different than jeans or leggings, you know, same things I always wear. Just thought it'd be a little bit different. Didn't know what size to get. I kept picking up the 8, picking up the 10, picking up the 8. I went with 10 to be safe. They were £13 yet to wear them, but stay tuned. Let's see. Oh, excited about these actually, to be fair. I got this cute little pack of bracelets. I want to get better at wearing bracelets. I wear a lot of gold earrings and gold jewellery, necklaces. Although my wedding ring, my engagement ring is actually silver. I didn't want a gold engagement ring, even though I only wear gold jewellery. I don't know why. I don't know why, I just didn't want one. But I saw these and I thought, well, I'll wear these, and if I like wearing bracelets, then I'll invest in like some proper gold jewellery. I thought these could be like my little tester bracelets. Do you know what I mean? Guys, you get a pack of 8 for £3. Will they make my wrist go green? I don't know. I can't answer that just yet. I'm gonna put a couple on, so I feel. Okay, pick 3 and put 3 on. Pretty cute. These 3 on. The only thing I'm not loving is like the long, because I have like freakishly small wrists, child wrists, so I've had to make them really small, and then it means I've got a lot of dangle going on. I'm wondering if I can like, wonder if Clint's got any little tool that would snip that off, because I don't appreciate that, to be honest. But they look quite cute together, don't they? Okay, this is exciting. I mean, is it? I don't know. I thought it was exciting. They have got some really cute wellies in at the moment, kind of giving me Hunter vibes. Really like classic black chunky welly boots. I never own welly boots. Every winter it comes round and we'll be going on a walk, or it's snowing or something, and I'll be like, for God's sake, why do I never buy wellies? So this year I bought a pair, basically. They also had them in khaki, but I thought black would go with more things, so I went with black. But yeah, lovely and chunky, and it was £12 for the black boots. I was really hoping that they might have matching in the kids section that I could get for the boys, but no such luck. But I do need to get the boys some welly boots before rainy season is upon us. And then also in the shoe section, dun, 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 dun. If these ain't a bit of me, I don't know what is. They're pretty cute, right? I love the contrast with the light sole and the black boot. I just love them. I haven't tried them on. I just picked up the 6. I think it was the last 6 that there was, and just went with it because I was so glad there was at least one size left. But I'm really looking forward to playing with some autumn winter outfits with these. Honestly, I have such good experiences with Primark boots. Like, some of my favorite, like, you know, autumn's biker boots are from Primark, and they have stood the test of time. They are years old and still going strong, so hopefully be the same for these. And I've lost the price tag. £20 they were. Guys, the bracelets, because I've got 3 on, they're like tangling, and that's getting me down, to be honest. That's going to annoy me. Maybe I can't have 3. What is this? Don't even know what this is. Oh yeah, cute little long sleeve bodysuit. I thought, what a staple. These with like some jeans and those boots I just showed you. How cute. Yeah, really simple ribbed long sleeve bodysuit with a scoop neck. Were there more colours? I don't know if there were, because I feel like I would have got them if there were more colours. Maybe this was it. Can't totally remember, but I got that in a size small. Small is 10 to 12. Yeah, small is 10 to 12. That's where I get muddled up with Primark, because I always think a small is going to be an 8, but a small is 10 to 12. It's a bit confusing, isn't it? So there you go, that's what I got, and obviously it's got lots of stretch to it too. And he was £5. Bargain. Last little bit for me, I got myself my first scarf of the year of 2022, that is. And I really like this one because it's nice and chunky and big, but it's just black. Like, I feel like those big chunky scarves always have some kind of pattern to them, or they're often like checked, which is lovely. I've got loads of those, but I saw this one was just plain black, and I thought, how great to just go with literally any outfit ever. Like, yeah, it would just go with anything, wouldn't it? This with me new boots, job done. He was, I've literally just chucked it away. Only £4 as well. I want to say they had like a cream, like a beigey cream one as well, which I kind of wish I got as well, because it is lovely and soft. And also it's not too fluffy. I hate it when scarves, like, they look lovely and soft, but you put them on and they've got that fluff everywhere and it gets in your mouth and you sniff it, and yeah, it's too much. This one's like the perfect combo of soft but not too much fluff, basically. Okay, so then came the time to go up to the house section, and obviously I follow Primark on Instagram, and I've seen other people going into Primark this autumn and finding the most beautiful little pumpkin things and acorns and cute little autumn stuff. I was very ready for it. Got upstairs and was just bitterly disappointed. I decided to go to my local Primark, which is a lot smaller than the one that's like an hour away. If I'd have gone to the one that was like an hour away, it would have had everything, but yeah, I just didn't want to go that far. So this Primark was a bit smaller and unfortunately didn't have any pumpkin goodies, which is a bit gutting because I would have bought them all. Guys, if you're a subscriber, you'll know that I have, if there's like a medical word for someone who's addicted to buying pumpkins, then yeah, I've got that. So I didn't get anything pumpkin-y, but I did come away with a Baby Yoda duvet set, which some may say is even better. Leo currently is a little bit obsessed with Baby Yoda and Mandalorian. It's his latest thing. Like, it's all over his Christmas list, like wants Baby Yoda this, that and everything. Like his school water bottles, Baby Yoda, like it's big in our house right now. So I saw that they had, here's what it looks like, this Baby Yoda duvet set, and he's just gonna go nuts for this basically. So a single set with the duvet and the pillow was £14. He doesn't know I've got this, so my plan is that I'm gonna put it on his bed now before he gets home from school, and that'll be a little surprise. I might not even tell him until like he goes up to bed and then sees it at bedtime, because he's got a bunk bed. Like, he wouldn't see it until he was literally going to bed. But yeah, that was my takeaway from the home section. And there you go. That brings us to an end. Do you know what? I really needed this today. I feel much better today. I haven't actually cried today yet as well. I nearly did, because I've had a YouTube vlog go live this morning where I tell all my lovely YouTube family that Trevor's gone, and I've been having loads of comments on there, and yeah, there's a couple of them that have made me, like, you know when you get that like lump in your throat, but I've just been fighting it because I really would like to get through today without crying. And my friend is coming round really soon with her little girl. My mother-in-law's coming round after school. Like, it's a nice busy day. I'm back filming. You know, I have makeup on, I've brushed my hair. Like, this is good. This is all good stuff. But you know, also if I want to curl up in a ball and have a cry later, that's also fine. Like, you just have to do what your body tells you to do, really, don't you, in these situations. But thank you so much for joining me on my autumn winter 2022. Let's call it autumn, because to be honest, I'm going to do another one, aren't I, closer to winter. So let's call it autumn Primark haul 2022. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Really appreciate every single one of you who watches my videos. Don't forget to subscribe before you go as well, which would mean the world to me, and I will see you lovely people in my next video.